start a home-based business using your home address as your registered business address, you need to watch this video first. There are some big problems that can come about in terms of personal safety and public information. I'm going to explain to you what those are and how to solve those problems. Whether you are a sole proprietor or an LLC, when you register your business, you are going to be required to provide several different types of addresses in your business registration paperwork. These addresses are going to be listed on public record. Essentially, any government document that you file for your business is going to have all of that information searchable and available on government websites. This means that the Secretary of State websites, seller permits, etc. are all searchable documents that anyone can access and view all of the information submitted. Now, when a new business registers their information and that information is made public, there is a wide variety of people on the internet who dedicate all of their work to compiling that business information. Eventually, your business information will start to be cataloged and start to pop up more and more frequently and on more and more sources across the internet. Additionally, larger sites such as Google Maps are going to start to catalog your business information as well. That means that your business is not only searchable, but very prominently shown on things such as Google Maps, which might include a satellite photo of the outside of your home. So is this okay with you? Well, for some people, it might be okay. If you're someone that doesn't mind using your personal address, that doesn't mind having a satellite photo of your home listed on these business listings, then it's completely fine. Yes, go ahead and use your personal address. But if you are someone who has any personal safety concerns or privacy needs, then you need to understand that these business registrations can get cataloged in other websites and redistributed in this way because this is public information. So if you want to avoid having your address and photos of your home taken from satellite shared around the internet, then you will want to do the solution that's coming next. When you file your business registration paperwork, whether it be a business license, a seller's permit, EIN, any form of business registration, you're going to be asked for those 3 or 2 different addresses. You're going to be asked for your business physical address, your business mailing address, and then your registered agent address if you're an LLC. Now, business mailing addresses are pretty simple. You can include a PO box or a virtual address as your business mailing address. But when you get to your business physical address, it becomes a little more complicated. A PO box can be used for your business mailing address, but it cannot be used as your business's physical address. You cannot register a business as being located in a PO box. It simply won't fit, and it's not something that's going to be approved on your business registration documents. If something does slide through and does get accidentally approved, then it was a mistake that was missed, and most likely the government will review it and come back around again to correct that mistake that they missed. Now, virtual mailboxes are a little different. Mailbox is a service offered by a third-party company that is going to give you some additional services depending on what the company and package is. They might offer mail scanning, cataloging, mail forwarding to you, and some additional business services that might come in handy. Similarly to a PO box, a virtual mailbox can be used as a mailing address, but not as a physical address. Finally, a virtual office is a service that allows you to essentially list your business as being located in that office building. You can establish a business presence there. You can get an address that isn't just a mailbox number. It is either a suite number or a unit number within that business's address. And they're going to list within their services that they allow you to register your business to that location. In some cases, virtual office addresses might be rejected on your business registration paperwork. This can be confusing to business owners because if their state says that they are legally allowed to register their business to a virtual office and that company says that you are paying for a service that allows you to register your business to that location, then why is this being rejected? What I have found most common as the reason for rejection with this is because the business owner did not select an address from that company that included either a suite or a unit number, that they included simply a mailbox number or some sort of other identifying number that wasn't clearly listed as a suite or unit. Therefore, the city or county that was evaluating that documentation did not see it as a physical address where a business could be registered. Most virtual office services will give you a list of choices and allow you to choose from that list which virtual address you would like to have. In this case, make sure that you select one that has a suite or a unit number so that you do not get rejected when you send in your documentation. Now, for those of you who are operating an LLC, you need to do one more thing. While you can be your own registered agent as an LLC and you can list your own personal information there, if you already got a virtual address, but then you list yourself as your own registered agent, then it's going to contradict that process. You're going to have your own personal home address listed as that registered agent's address. Instead, what you should do is hire a professional registered agent service. A registered agent service is going to grant you one person from that business that is going to be the recipient of all of your important legal business correspondence. They're going to provide you with that person's name, contact information, and address within their business for that to be on public record instead. The company that I recommend is called iPostal1, and there's a few different reasons why I like this company. Now, I want to recommend you two different services that are going to help you to clear your personal address from your business registrations. The first thing that you're going to need is to obtain a business virtual office. Each company offering this service might call it something different. It might be referred to as a business address. It might be referred to as a business virtual office. You want something more than just a virtual mailbox or a PO box. What you want to look for as you are finding your virtual office or your virtual address is you are going to look for what we see right here. Right here, we see noted that you are able to register your business address using this address. The company clearly states it. Second service that I want to recommend to you is a registered agent service for those of you that have an LLC. I recommend using a company called INCFILE. INCFILE has a fantastic deal. If you form your LLC with them, then they will give you 1 year of free registered agent service. And they don't charge you anything for forming your LLC. They simply charge you the state filing fee. So it's really a great deal. For those of you that already have your LLC formed, you can also opt to just sign up for only their registered agent service as well. Both links are available in the video description down below.